Here's another pre-workout smoothie idea. First, we're going to add all our ingredients into our blender, and we're going to start off with half of a frozen banana, 1 cup of your favorite non-dairy milk, or you can just use water, 1 teaspoon of maca powder, 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder, 1 teaspoon of raw cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and now we're just gonna top this up with ice. Blend and we're ready to serve. And before you go to the gym, just enjoy your smoothie. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I upload Monday through Thursday, and as always, thanks for watching. Talk to you next video.